Welcome to Tech in 10, a series that gives you technology tips in 10 minutes or less. My name is Bethany, and I work for the Vestavia Hills Library in the Forest. Let's learn the basics of Microsoft Word. I'll be using the Microsoft 365 version. The first time you use Microsoft Word, you will need to sign in to your Microsoft account. Once signed in, Word opens to the Welcome page. Here, you can open an existing document, open a recently used document, start from a blank document, or start with a template. I'll start from a blank document. The top menu is called the ribbon. It's divided into tabs. Each tab is further divided into groups. This helps you locate specific commands on each tab. Click here to choose how you want the ribbon to display. Use the slider to zoom in and out of your document. To save your file, go to the File tab. Click Save. You can save your file to OneDrive or to another location. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud service. It stores your files safely and securely online. It's a great place to save your work because if your computer dies or is stolen, all of your work is still available to you online. Saving to OneDrive also enables an auto-save feature. That means your documents will save automatically as you're working on it. I will save to OneDrive, but first, here's what to do if you want to save your file to your computer or a flash drive and not to OneDrive. Click Browse. Navigate to the desired folder or location, such as Documents or Flash Drive. Name the file and click Save. I'm going to cancel since I want to save to OneDrive. To save to OneDrive, select your OneDrive and enter a file name. Note the location. Click Save. Notice autosave is on. Remember, autosave only works if you're saving to OneDrive. If autosave is off, you will need to save your work periodically by clicking here. As you work on your document, you'll see Word saving your changes automatically here if autosave is enabled. Autosave saves over the original. You can always go back to older versions of your file and restore them. Click your file name and choose Version History. If you prefer, you can go to the File tab and use Save a Copy if you want to keep an original version. Then you can work from the copy but still have the original file. Select text by clicking and dragging over any amount of text. Move selected text by clicking in the selected area and dragging it to the desired place. Word places the text at the location of the insertion point. In my example business letter, now the correct section is at the top. To select all text quickly, use the keyboard shortcut Control-A. Hold down the Control key and then press the A key. Think A for all. On the Home tab, change your font and font size here in the font group. You can also bold, italicize, or underline text here. Don't forget to select the text first so Word knows where to apply the changes. Adjust line spacing and paragraph spacing here in the paragraph group. I'm going to reduce my line spacing to make this document look like a standard business letter. First, I'll use Control-A to select all. Now I'll reduce my line spacing to 1.0. It looks better, but Word adds extra space after every paragraph by default. I don't want the extra space. So I'll go back and say remove space after paragraph. That's more like it. Use these commands to add a bulleted or numbered list. Use these commands to adjust the alignment of your text, such as to center a title over a page. This looks terrible. To undo any step, use the undo command here. Notice there's also a redo command. I have purposely created some errors in my document so you can see the editor in action. The editor is located on the Home tab. It's the newer version of the spell checker. Not only does it check spelling and grammar, but it also evaluates your writing for clarity, conciseness, and other ways to enhance your writing. Red underlining indicates a spelling error. Blue underlining indicates a grammatical error or a refinement suggestion. Here's a quick way to customize your margins. Go to the View tab. Checkmark Ruler. A vertical and horizontal ruler appear. Click and drag at the gray end of the ruler to adjust the top margin. Now I don't have that excess line floating to a second page. You can also scroll to the bottom of the page to adjust the bottom margin if needed. Use the horizontal ruler to adjust side margins in the same way. I don't need page numbers for this file, but here's how to add them. Click the Insert tab. Choose Page Number. Select where on the page number will go. Select a style. To print your document, click the File tab and select Print. Thanks for watching!